Our series of financial management, we have different lectures on financial management, accounting. Today, we will discuss about the IBFT payments. What is IBFT and how it is done? What are the advantages of IBFT? What are disadvantages of IBFT? And why it is preferred or it is done. First, when we discuss about the IBFT, what is IBFT? IBFT stands for Interbank Funds Transfer. This is commonly used terms in cash or internet banking. IBFT Internet Bank Funds transfer is an electronic payment method that allows customers to transfer funds between different banks in real time. This service is often provided by banks through internet banking, mobile banking, or ATMs. This was the concept or definition of IBFT. How IBFT is done? The process of IBFT is we will discuss by step. First, log in into your bank's internet or mobile banking app. Second, select IBFT or a similar option like example fund transfers. Further, in next steps, enter the recipient's bank details such as bank name, which bank, and account number details and amount to be transferred. These details are the basic details required for transfer of funds. After this process, confirm the transaction with a second level authentication OTP or password. In the last, receive a confirmation once the transaction is successfully processed. This is the process we mostly do on our mobiles or internet banking system. Next, we will discuss the advantages of IBFT. Advantage first is speed. Transfers are instant or near instant, making it ideal for urgent payments. Second, convenience can be done anytime, anywhere via internet or mobile banking. Third advantage of IBFT is accessibility available 24 by 7 unlike traditional bank transfers which are limited to banking hours. In mostly cases banking hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So in that case this is the plus point of internet banking accessibility and 24-hour facility. Next advantages is cost effective, often cheaper than traditional banks draft or money orders or pay orders. For next advantages is security, transactions are incorporated and usually require authentication for added security. As we have discussed in the previous slide, the receiving confirmation once transaction is successfully processed, confirmation confirmed transaction with a second level authentication OTP or password. This is the security system of IBFT payments. What are the disadvantages of IBFT payment? First is fees. Some banks charge a fee for IBFT transaction, especially for large amounts. Second is errors. Incorrect account details can lead to failed transfer or fund being sent to wrong account. This can be the disadvantages of this because basically during the transaction or initially when we transfer the amount details as we have discussed in previous slide, bank name, account number and amount to be transferred required. If there is any mistake in these details, that can lead to loss. Next disadvantages is there may be daily transaction limits imposed by the banks. It may be 10 million, it may be million, it may be 50,000. So this is the limitation of IBFT. Further dependency on technology requires a stable internet connection and access to electronic devices. If there is no stable internet connection or electronics devices are not available, the payment cannot be done. So these are the basic requirement for these IBFT fund transfer systems. Potentials for fraud. As with any online transaction, there is a risk of phishing or other cyber threats. It is chance of fraud. So these are the disadvantages of IBFT. Why IBFT is done? First is efficiency, reduces the need for physical visit to bank as time saving and convenience. You are sitting any place, you are sitting in home, you are sitting and you can do the fund transfers by IBFT. This is the efficient way. So people prefer IBFT. Second, convenience enables customer to manage their funds quickly and easily. And third is real-time processing, ideal for businesses and individuals who need immediate access to the funds. As at the spot, the amount is transferred, so immediate fund transfer can quickly process the further to any transaction or any go ahead that was pending from this payment due to this payment. It is real time processing. Financial inclusions help bring banking services to underbanked populations with internet access. IBFT is widely adopted for its speed and convenience despite some associated risks and fees. So these were the reasons why IBFT is preferred. I hope by this lecture your concept about IBFT payments would be very clear. We have initially discussed the IBFT and how IBFT is done and advantages, disadvantages, why IBFT is done. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.